Question. The speed of a boat in still water is 45 kilometers per hour. It takes twice as long as to go upstream to a point as to return downstream to the starting point. What is the speed of the current? Options are Option A, 9 kilometers per hour, Option B, 5 kilometers per hour, Option C, 15 kilometers per hour, Option D, 12 kilometers per hour, and Option E, none of the above. Let's see the solution. In the statement they given that speed of a boat in still water is 45 kilometers per hour. So here the speed of a boat in still water is 45 kilometers per hour. And in the next statement they given that it takes twice as long as to go upstream to a point as to return downstream to the starting point. So here it takes twice as long to go upstream to a point as to return downstream to the starting point. Here we know time and speed are inversely proportional to each other. So the time ratio between downstream to upstream is equal to 1:2. And the speed ratio between downstream to upstream is equal to 2:1. Let the downstream be 2x and upstream be x. So the speed of a boat in still water is 2x plus x divided by 2. That equal to 45. That is 3x is equal to 90 and x is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. Now in the question they are asking the speed of the current. So here the speed of the current is equal to 2x minus x divided by 2. That is 2 into 30 minus 30 divided by 2. That is equal to 15 kilometers per hour. So the speed of the current is equal to 15 kilometers per hour. So the answer is option C, 15 kilometers per hour.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn 4 more and check our channel for complete free learning videos.